Hi, welcome back to Projects with Steve. This is part 5 of my backyard shed build. You can see here I got the shingles on. I used an Owens Corning dimensional shingle. Purchased it from Menards. That's where most of the materials were purchased from. I was able to get everything during one of those 11% off rebate sales. You can see the two windows on each side of the doorway have been framed out now, and also the doorway's been framed out. So in this video, we're going to start putting up the outside siding. The siding that I used is the LP Smart Side 7/16 inch strand panel siding, purchased from Menards. It's an engineered wood that gives you a cedar grain-like texture. It was pretty easy to hang. It was very easy to cut. It comes primed, so it just needs to be painted once it's all up. Today I'm working alone, so I'm hanging this first several pieces by myself. I just created a ledge with a 2x4, nailed that just below where I wanted to hang the first piece of siding, and use that ledge to help guide that piece into place before clamping it down and then nailing it in. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the section below, and please hit the like and share buttons, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on the progress of my shed build and any other projects that I get into. The windows that I'm going to put in are pretty basic. They're white vinyl barn sash windows that can be purchased from Menards, and those will be installed when the trim gets put in. Here's a picture now with siding mostly completed on the first two walls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video where we start to wrap things up on this shed build, finish up putting the trim on and getting it painted. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.